Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Let's learn about the letter L. L is the 12th letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant letter. Here is a letter L in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase L. Start with the top and make a line down. Then go to the bottom and make a line across. Now you try. Here is a letter L in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase l. Start with the top and make a line down. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter L? L is for label. L is for lace. L is for ladder. L is for ladle. L is for lady. L is for ladybug. L is for ladyfinger. L is for lake. L is for lamb. L is for lamp. L is for land. L is for lantern. L is for laptop. L is for larva. L is for lava. L is for leaf. L is for leaflet. L is for leg. L is for lemon. L is for lemur. L is for leopard. L is for letter. L is for lettuce. L is for lever. L is for lid. L is for lift. L is for light. L is for lily. L is for lion. L is for lip. L is for liver. L is for lizard. L is for lobster. L is for lock. L is for lodge. L is for log. L is for lollipop. L is for longan. L is for lunchbox. L is for lungs. See you on my next video. Love your venue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.